Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Fiverr affiliate terms and payout methods, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Fiverr affiliate terms and payout methods, begin by visiting the official Fiverr website. Scroll down to the footer and locate the affiliate link. Click on the affiliate link to access the Fiverr affiliate program page. Once on the affiliate page, look for the Terms and Conditions section. Read through the terms carefully to understand the rules of the program. Pay special attention to sections outlining commission rates and payment structures. Next, find details about payout methods on the same page. This section will usually explain the different options available for receiving payouts. Common payout methods include PayPal, bank transfers, and other online payment platforms. Make note of the minimum payout threshold required for each method. Return to the main affiliate page and look for a FAQs section. Review any frequently asked questions related to payouts and terms. For additional clarity, consider checking Fiverr's Help Center. Use the search bar to find specific questions about affiliate terms and payout methods. If you need further assistance, contact Fiverr's support team directly. Email them with any specific inquiries about the affiliate program. Be sure to include your affiliate ID for personalized support. Once you have all the information, ensure you fully understand the terms and methods. This will help you optimize your earnings as a Fiverr affiliate. Keep this guide handy for future reference as you engage with the Fiverr affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.